Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of feedback on the application of Temu app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Temu app and you will enter, sorry, not here. You will search about Temu app and you will click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors. You can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.